What's the meaning of body swerve? Body swerve. Body swerve.
Body swerve. Body swerve. The term body swerve usually refers to a technique used in sports, especially football, soccer, where a player quickly changes direction by moving their body in one direction while moving the ball in another. The result is that the player can evade an opponent and move around them to create space or make a play. It requires quick reflexes, good coordination, and a good understanding of how to use body language to deceive opponents. Overall, a successful body swerve can help a player create scoring opportunities and make the game more exciting.